Good morning, my dear little ones. How are you all? I hope you all are good at your home. You all are studying, you all are enjoying every day. That's great. So, are you all ready for today's class? Everyone ready for class? That's good. So, go fast and bring your child centric Hindi Chitra Pustika Perfection Toolkit 2 of 2. Perfection Toolkit 2 of 2. Go and bring your book fast. Very good. Go and bring your books. So I am going to open the book. आज हम देखते हैं हम कौन सा व्यंजन करने वाले हैं. आपको सब व्यंजन की पहचान करनी है, उनके चित्र की पहचान करनी है. ओके. सो आज का नया व्यंजन कौन सा है? व्यंजन झ. इससे पहले हमने किया था ज. वी डिड ज. ये कौन सा व्यंजन है? ये है व्यंजन झ. झ. ऑल ऑफ यू स्पीक अप. झ. झ से झंडा. झ से झंडा. ये कौन सा झंडा है? ये हमारा राष्ट्रीय झंडा है. दिस इज आवर नेशनल फ्लैग. दिस इज इंडियन फ्लैग. ओके. झ से झंडा. झ से झंडा. झ से झंडा. झ से झबला. झ से झबला. झ से झज्जर. झ से झज्जर. झज्जर में पानी भरा जाता है. झ से झरना. झ से झरना. झ से झरना. झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा सारे देशों में सबसे न्यारा. भारत देश निराला है, हमको सबसे प्यारा है. हमको सबसे प्यारा है. नाउ लेट मी शो यू समथिंग related to व्यंजन झ. Today is our session 68. ओके. ये क्या है? आप बताइए क्या है ये? झ से झंडा. झ से झंडा. झ से झंडा. ये कौन सा झंडा है? कौन सा है? ये हमारे देश का झंडा है. दिस इज इंडियन फ्लैग. ओके. झ से झबला. झ से झबला. झ से झज्जर. झ से झज्जर. झ से झरना. देखो ये पानी आ रहा है ना. ये व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज झरना. द वाटर इज फॉलिंग फ्रॉम अप टू डाउन. दिस इज झ से झरना. ये क्या है? झ से झरना. झ से झज्जर. झ से झज्जर. झ से झबला. झ से झबला. झ से झंडा. झ से झंडा. ओके. कौन सा व्यंजन है? व्यंजन झ. व्यंजन झ. जैसे हम ई लिखते हैं ई, ये ऐसे क और एक स्टैंडिंग लाइन. झ झरना. झ झरना. Parents, though the students have not to write any Vyanjan in this class sapling, but still make sure they must know the formation. Let them move their finger on the particular Vyanjan. उन्हें अपनी finger move करनी है. जैसे यहाँ पे 1 लिखा है, so according to 1, then 2, then 3. ओके. ये कौन सा व्यंजन है? व्यंजन झ. कौन सा व्यंजन है? व्यंजन झ. झ से झंडा. झ से झंडा. झ से झंडा. झ से झबला. झ से झबला. झ से झज्जर. झ से झज्जर, झ से झरना, झ से झरना, ये क्या है? झरना। क्या है? झरना। झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, सारे देशों में सबसे न्यारा, भारत देश निराला है, हमको सबसे प्यारा है, हमको सबसे प्यारा है। स्पीक अगेन। झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, सारे देशों में सबसे न्यारा, भारत देश निराला है, हमको सबसे प्यारा है, हमको सबसे प्यारा है। आपको इस व्यंजन की पहचान करनी है। ओके, आपको बिना चित्र से भी पूछा जा सकता है कि ये कौन सा व्यंजन है, तो आपको व्यंजन की पहचान करनी है, चित्र की पहचान करनी है, इन सब चित्र की पहचान करनी है। ओके, तो ये क्या है व्यंजन? झ, व्यंजन झ। इससे पहले कौन सा व्यंजन किया था? ज। ज, आपको साउंड मिक्स नहीं करनी है। दैट वाज ज, जलेबी, ज जलेबी। ये क्या है? झ, झ से झंडा, झ से झंडा। ओके, आपको इसकी पहचान करनी है। Moving on to next, now we are going to do rhymes. So all of you go and bring your rhymes book fast. Let's open the books and see what we are going to do today. Which rhyme we did? That was related to a number. Which number? I am 333. Let's listen to this rhyme. Okay. So this is the rhyme. I am 333. I am 333. Okay. So you have to listen to the rhyme. Though it's a bit tough to learn, but still keep on listening to the rhyme so that you can enjoy it. Okay. Moving on to next. Now we are going to do writing skills. So go and bring your pencils. Go and bring your pencils. I request the parents again and again, please do not hold the hand of the child while writing. Let them write themselves, because once you will hold their hands, so they will be used to for the same. Then again and again they will demand, Mama, please hand hold karo. Okay, so we don't want to develop that habit. Make sure you will not hold the hand of the child. Let them write the way they are writing. Okay, so moving towards this book, please open it. We were done up to letter E. So now I request the parents that please make sure the child has to write letter A to E in the notebook. Each letter is to be written for 4 times. Okay, the child will first write letter A in first line for 4 times, then B, then C, then D, then E. So let them complete up to A to E and make sure they're comfortable writing the same. Let them complete up to A to E in the notebook. One letter for 4 times in a notebook. Then we will proceed towards the next letter. Okay. This is letter A. This is letter A. Once again we are going to repeat the formations. So this is the curve. This is the curve. Then from here like this. Okay. So this is our letter A. This is letter A. This is letter A. Alligator. A. Alligator. A. Alligator. Okay. Alice the alligator made friends with ants and now they are crawling all over her pants. All over her pants. This is letter A. This is capital A. This is small a. This is capital A. This is small a. Okay. But right now we are writing small letters. Moving to next letter. Which letter is this? This is letter B. This is letter B. Which letter is this? This is letter B. Okay. So you will write it like this. A slight slanting line and the curve. Okay. A slight slanting line and a curve. This is letter B. Which letter is this? This is letter B. Betty the bear sits on a chair. Betty the bear sits on a chair. She looks very fair with the bow in her hair. Betty the bear sits on a chair. She looks very fair with the bow in her hair. So this is letter B. This is capital B and this is small b. This is capital B and this is small b. Moving on to next. This is letter C. This is letter C. Which letter is this? This is letter C. This is very simple, just a curve. This is letter C. This is letter C. Which letter is this? This is letter C. Okay. This is capital C and this is small c. Both look like each other. Okay. They both look like each other. Kathy the camel loves to sail on board. She walks on the deck in her blue sailor's coat. She walks on the deck in her blue sailor's coat. Okay. This is letter C. This is letter C. Seek a camel. Seek a camel. This is the camel. Camel is holding a camera and wearing a cap. Now which letter is this? This is letter D. This is letter D. D the donkey. The way you formed C, the same way you will make a curve over here. Okay. First you have to make C like this. Then you have to make a standing line with a slight curve. This is letter D. This is letter D. Which letter is this? This is letter D. This is letter D. Which letter is this? This is letter D. Okay. Danny the donkey looks so cool. He sits at a desk and studies at school. Where is Danny the donkey sitting? Donkey is sitting on the desk. Donkey is sitting on the desk. Okay. So Danny the donkey looks so cool. He sits at a desk and studies at school. Sits at the desk and studies at school. Moving on to next. Now this is letter E. You have to complete up to E and you have to write in the notebook. आपको A to E notebook में लिखना है 4 letters 4 times per letter. Okay. Like you have to write A for 4 times, then B for 4 times, then C for 4 times, then D for 4 times, and E for 4 times. Okay. Then we will move to next letter. Now which letter is this? This is letter E. E a elephant. E a elephant. E a elephant. Okay. So you have to write letter E. Edgar the elephant looks very queer. He walks down the street with an egg on each ear. Okay. So this is letter E. This is capital E. This is also very easy to form a standing line and free sleeping lines. This is capital E and this is small e. Right now parents, we will be writing only small letters in class sapling. So please don't encourage your child to write capital letters. They'll be confused for the same. Okay. They must recognize that this is capital E, this is small e. Only the recognition is there, but writing is only for letter small letters. Okay. So this is letter E. My little ones, you will complete up to E. You have to write it in your notebook. Okay. This is all for the day. We will meet tomorrow. Complete your work. Send your work to me. I will wait for your work. Okay. Bye. Take care.